Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw lines in your text documents in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your text document. Let me go with that blank page here. Let me switch to the one full page view. And what you want to do is navigate to the toolbar here on the right hand side. To gain access to it, guys, you will need to sign into your Bluebeam Revu account first. Then these tools here will be unlocked. So to draw a line, guys, choose one of these options. You can go with an arrowed line, for example, a curved line or a straight line like this. You can also use the polyline feature, but we're going to use that straight line here. You can also use the pen tool, of course, to draw a line like this with your mouse, and you can stabilize it by pressing and holding left shift on your keyboard. And for example, draw vertical, horizontal lines like this. Change the stroke weight here, the opacity and the color. But again, guys, you can use the line tool here and to draw your line. Set your start point by left clicking into the point. Hold your left mouse and you may make the line longer or shorter like this. And to set an end point, release your left mouse and that is going to position the line like this. So let me switch to the select tool, click into the line, and now you can reposition it, for example, and also go through these line formatting or line customization options at the top, like change the line color, for example, again, the opacity, the line type or style, for example, switch to dashed line or zigzag, or I don't know, any of these. And again, just the stroke weight here, and also customize the start and the end point, convert it into an arrowhead here, do the same for the end point, and now we have a double arrowed line like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.